Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got this 2-in-1 USB-C fast charging cable. So we're gonna check this out and see what it looks like. I guess I got the black color one. Comes in white as well. Here's some little information on it if you need that. But let's see what this looks like. So it comes wrapped up like this. Comes with a lifetime warranty. You can activate the lifetime warranty, which is kind of nice. Nice for a cable. So let's open this up. If I can get it open. Here we go. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. So, it's got a nice little Velcro thing on it there. Hold it up there. So you've got your USB-C side that will plug into the wall nugget. Kind of cool. It's got a little rubber cover. Kind of good. When I stick it in my luggage, it won't get too much gook on it. And then we have the Y connector here. And then we have our Apple Watch connector, and we have our Lightning connector, so we can charge our phone. Like iPhone 14 Pro and below, the new ones use USB-C, so this will work for me because I have a 14 Pro. And then my watch, I have the Ultra, so it'll work for that. So how cool is that? So I got a nice little fast charger. I'm guessing it's about, I don't know, 4 feet long of the wire. So not super long, which is good because sometimes these wires are just ridiculously long. And I'm able to charge 2 things at once. So when I go to the hotels and stuff, now I just bring this one cord instead of having to bring so much junk with me. It's been annoying. So anything I can do to reduce my space that I'm carrying stuff is good. So this is awesome. And this is it here. It's by Amasuki. And it's the AK04 version. I can see that right there. So very cool. 2-in-1 fast charger. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.